soft potatoes, fragrant masala. This sagu is so tasty you will even forget the chutneys. Namaste, welcome to Gita'sKitchen. After our authentic Idli Molagapodi from Tamil Nadu yesterday, we are now going straight to Karnataka for their famous potato sagu, which is a light flavorful gravy served with rava idlis and puris. So welcome to day 10 of our 30 days veg side dish recipes with a simple flavorful potato sagu. For this recipe, I have taken 3 boiled potatoes peeled and kept ready, 1 onion thinly sliced, 1 green chili slit, a little bit of ginger I have crushed, coriander leaves and curry leaves. First, lightly mash the potatoes. There should be still some small pieces in it. Now, heat a tablespoon of oil in a kadai. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, Channa dal, jeera or cumin seeds, and some Hing. Next, add in the sliced onions, 1 green chili I have slit, crushed ginger and curry leaves. Saute all these for a few minutes till the onions become translucent. Add salt and cook till the onion softens well. Adding salt hastens the process of cooking the onions. When the onion becomes soft, add some turmeric powder. Next, add in this boiled and partially mashed potatoes. Now, add in about 2 cups of water. Keep the flame low and let it all come to a boil. Meanwhile, here I have 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. Just add a little bit of water and make it into a paste without any lumps. When it starts coming to a boil, add this slurry of gram flour to it. And again, over a low flame, boil it well till you reach the correct consistency. See, it is boiling once again and it has thickened also. Don't make it too thick. Keep it into a semi-thick stage where it is slightly flowing consistency. Now we can switch it off. For added flavor, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it. And finally top it with plenty of fresh coriander leaves. And that's it. Your simple and flavorful potato sagu is ready to be served. Wow. Our steaming hot, soft and fluffy rava idlis are ready. Your rava idli is never complete without this sagu. Look at this hot rava idlis with our creamy potato sagu. Pure comfort food. This vegetable sagu is mildly spiced, perfect balance and a lovely combo for your breakfast. I am sure your family will love this too. Just keep in mind, I have not added tomatoes or chili powder or dry red chili because I love to retain this yellowish green natural color of the sagu with the fresh coriander leaves and just a hint of haldi, that is turmeric powder in it. If you want a little more spice, increase the green chili quantity, that's it. And enjoy this piping hot sagu with your steaming rava idlis for a lovely cozy breakfast. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again with day 11 of our 30 days 30 with side dishes episode. Thank you.